Someone just took a shot at you. Maybe it was disguised as a joke. Maybe it came wrapped in a smile. But you felt it. And right now, most people freeze, laugh it off awkwardly, or fire back and look like the angry one. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to flip that dynamic, so the person who insulted you ends up revealing their own insecurity without you ever losing your cool. Here's the uncomfortable truth. People who throw passive-aggressive jabs at others almost never have the confidence to be openly aggressive. The whole reason they hide behind snark and subtle digs is because they're scared of direct confrontation. That's your advantage. And the moment you understand that, everything changes. Step 1 is your eyes. When you sense someone is setting a trap with their words, lock eyes with them. Not aggressively, just steadily. Hold that gaze calmly and comfortably. What happens next is fascinating. People who are operating from insecurity cannot maintain strong eye contact when they know they're being shady. You'll watch them glance away, fidget, or suddenly backtrack. You haven't said a single word, and you've already won round 1. Step 2 is give them one benefit of the doubt. Answer whatever they said at face value. Stay good-natured. This does 2 things. First, it shows you're not reactive or desperate to prove a point. Second, if you actually misread the situation, you haven't created unnecessary drama. Confidence gives people the benefit of the doubt because confident people aren't threatened by minor friction. Step 3 is the warning shot. This is where you signal, without aggression, that you see exactly what's happening. Something like casually steering the conversation in a different direction or lightly pointing out that the topic seems a bit off. Keep your tone warm. Keep your energy relaxed. This gives the other person one final chance to course correct before things escalate. Many people will back down here because they realize their little game isn't working the way they planned. Step 4 is the direct call out. If they keep pushing after all of that, you look at them calmly and you ask plainly, "What's going on here?" Not shouting, not dramatic, just a clear, composed question that forces them to either admit what they're doing or stumble over an excuse. Watch what happens to their body language at this moment. Jittery hands, avoiding eye contact, shifting in their seat, talking faster. Their insecurity shows itself completely. You didn't have to argue, insult them back, or raise your voice. You just stayed grounded and let them fall apart. Step 5 is walking away. Once you've called it out, you remove yourself from the interaction. This is powerful because it communicates that you refuse to be a punching bag, and it denies them the reaction they were fishing for. Do it calmly. Do it without drama. That composure is what sticks in everyone's mind afterward. Here's what makes this whole approach so effective psychologically. When you remain calm while someone else is trying to destabilize you, you expose the contrast. Their behavior looks small. Your composure looks strong. The insult that was meant to diminish you ends up illuminating their own weakness instead. So next time someone takes that subtle dig at you, remember, you have a 5-step playbook. Steady eye contact, benefit of the doubt, warning shot, direct call out, and walk away. Stay calm, stay composed. Let them reveal themselves. And if this helped you, drop it in the comments below and subscribe because we have much more coming your way.